in stored blood 2-3 dpg decreases, so oxygen release is less. Okay, we can use ACD, we can use CPDA. These are acting like a anticoagulant, acid citrate dextrose and citrate phosphate dextrose, adenine. Okay, so it increased 2-3 dpg. Whenever there is increased 2-3 dpg, it increases oxygen release. Okay, it also increased P50. I told you earlier. It is just a I'm just revising the point. Now, transport of oxygen, it is done in 3 forms. Only 7% in dissolved form, 70% combined with in the form of bicarbonate, and only 23% combined with hemoglobin. So maximum carbon dioxide transport is in the form of bicarbonates, and PCB is 3% higher in the venous because of chloride influx, which I will discuss here. See, carbon dioxide in RBC will combine with water, convert into H2CO3. It will break down into proton and bicarbonate. Bicarbonate will be exchanged for chloride. So bicarbonate will be transported in exchange of chloride. So whenever bicarbonate is going, one chloride is coming. It is called as chloride exchange. It is called as chloride shift. It is called as Hamburger phenomena. So this phenomena was discovered by Hamburger. So it is called as Hamburger's phenomena. And because for every shift of chloride, cell become more and more, it will swell, it will increase the packed cell volume. This is the reason that PCB is 3% higher in the venous blood.